Hello, my friend. Welcome back to the podcast. I am happy you are here today. In this episode, we will talk about an English learning plan for 2026. We will focus on slow English. We will talk about daily habits. And we will talk about discipline. If you are A1 or A2 level, this podcast is for you. Relax. Take a deep breath. You do not need to hurry. Learning English is a journey, not a race. Now, let us begin. First, let me say something important. You do not need to study English for many hours every day. You need only one thing. That thing is consistency. Yes, small steps every day are better than big steps once a week. In 2026, make one simple rule for yourself. I will learn English every day, even if it is only for 10 minutes. 10 minutes is enough, believe me. Now, let's talk about slow English. Slow English means you listen slowly. You speak slowly. You think slowly. And you do not feel stress. When you listen to English, choose slow podcasts. Choose simple videos. Do not jump to fast movies or difficult news. Listen carefully. Listen again and again. Repetition is your best friend. You can listen while walking. You can listen while resting. You can listen before sleeping. Now, let us talk about daily habits. Habits are very powerful. Habits decide your future. In 2026, build these simple daily habits. First habit: listen to English every day. Even 5 minutes is okay, but do it every day. Second habit: speak English every day. You do not need a partner. You can speak alone. Look at the mirror. Talk about your day. Say simple sentences. For example, today I woke up early. I ate breakfast. I am learning English. Simple sentences are perfect. Third habit: learn a few new words. Do not learn 20 words. Learn 3 words. Only 3. Write them, say them, use them in a sentence. For example, word, discipline. Sentence: discipline helps me learn English. Very simple. Now, let us talk about discipline. Discipline means doing the work even when you do not feel like it. Some days, you will feel lazy. Some days, you will feel tired. This is normal. But discipline says, I will do it anyway. Not perfect, just done. In 2026, do not wait for motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. Make a fixed time for English. Morning or night. Choose one time and respect that time. Even if your mood is bad, even if your day is busy, sit for a few minutes and do something in English. Now let me tell you something honest. You will make mistakes. A lot of mistakes. And that is good. Mistakes mean you are learning. Do not feel shy. Do not feel afraid. No one learns without mistakes. Speak wrong English. It is okay. Slowly, it will become better. By the end of 2026, if you follow this plan, you will see change. You will understand more. You will speak more. You will feel more confident. Not because you are special, but because you were consistent. Before we end, remember this. Slow is okay. Simple is okay. Daily effort is everything. You are not late. You are not weak. You are learning. Keep going. Thank you for listening. Take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next episode.